Disturbing evidence tonight that Michigan's unemployment insurance agency has been massively defrauded. We are talking about scammers victimizing taxpayers and stealing billions of dollars from the agency. Tonight, 7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette is working to find out what the FBI and others are doing to stop it.
Ellis Stafford spent a lengthy career with Michigan State Police. Now, after retiring, he works with a nonprofit that partners with law enforcement to stop scammers. One of those types of scams involves unemployment insurance, and in fact, his own daughter was a victim.
When she lost her job due to the pandemic, she tried to apply for unemployment insurance and was told that someone else had already applied to receive her benefits.
For Ellis Stafford, it was the news no father wants to hear. Yet he says his daughter is just one of countless victims whose information was used to rip off our state's unemployment insurance benefits system. A new report highlights roughly $8.5 billion in funding thieves managed to steal, and Michigan isn't alone. Now, Stafford is part of a nonprofit helping the law crack down.
One of the benefits about calling the crime commissions, and when you call us and give us the tip, we're going to try to work that tip up. We're just not going to pass it to law enforcement. We're going to do everything we can by accessing public-facing data to see can we put more meat on the bone to give law enforcement more to work with when we give it to them.
Retired FBI Assistant Director Dan Roberts now works as a police chief in Franklin. Their cases are also being reported. We asked for his thoughts on this troubling trend that's grown amid a record number of claims being filed. He says large criminal organizations are often behind these illegal acts.
We're all victims of that because taxpayer money is being used to fund that fraud. I've met with my former counterparts at the FBI about this very issue, and I know they're looking at it.
We've confirmed the governor has added more resources to further prevent these types of scams, along with ongoing efforts by the state attorney general. A state response team is now modernizing systems, improving procedures and protocols, as well as taking other measures. The state also says more than $43 billion in attempted scams were prevented from October of 2020 to September of 2021.
If they can develop a racketeering case or a continuing criminal enterprise case on these organizations that are rings of groups that are trying to steal unemployment benefits, that's where the FBI is involved, and they're involved daily.
Federal pandemic employment assistance programs provided a lot of the money that was targeted by those imposters. As we speak, efforts are underway to recover that money. Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.